Hello everyone, we are here at MWC Barcelona, OnePlus launch event. They have just announced the OnePlus Watch 2, and here are quick takes. The watch looks really rugged, but at the same time the design is very elegant. It's a little bit thick, and the size is a little bit big for people with small wrists. But maybe if they launch a smaller watch, it would be great. So they have focused on three key things. The number one is the design. Number two is the battery life. And number three is the health tracking. So design we have already talked about a little bit. It looks elegant. The action button is a neat addition. The second thing is the battery life. According to OnePlus, in a smart mode, this watch delivers 100 hours of battery life. Battery is one of the biggest pain points for a typical smartwatch user. Some of the smartwatches doesn't even last a day. But OnePlus has delivered this by using two different chipsets and a hybrid OS. The Snapdragon chipset wakes up only with demanding applications and applications which runs on Wear OS. Otherwise, there is a BES chipset which runs less demanding applications and RTOS applications. So 100 hours of battery life in smart mode, and 48 hours of battery life in heavy usage. And the third key factor here is the evolution of the health tracking. So previously we have seen watches just tracking parameters like heart rate or calories or your oxygen levels. But now it is evolving to tracking of sports form. So in this watch, there are several different sports modes, for example, badminton, for example, running. So it will track detailed parameters like how you swing the shuttle, your wrist movements. So this also shows the direction in which the health tracking within the smart watch is moving from just the parameters to dedicated sports form tracking.